Okay, who is Thor?
Thor. Thor's coming
Who is he?
with Cat and Emily
Where
and
does
Thor.
Where does Thor live?
And England.
In England.
Yep.
Do you miss Thor?
Yes. Is Thor coming?
I'm not sure if he's coming yet, buddy.
Is he coming today?
Tell me about Thor.
No, first bed is up there.
Where?
First bed is up there.
In the attic?
Yes, I want to go on. I want to go on an adventure. I want to go on an adventure on the road with Thor.
Is Thor strong and brave?
He is so brave.
Yeah.
He runs on the road.
Is he scared of anything?
No. He's scared of trucks and cars.
How old is Thor?
4.
Is Thor
Yeah.
like Sawyer?
He's not 4.
How old is he?
How?
Is he old? Is he a grown-up?
He is. And what's his old? How old is he, Mom? I don't know.
How old is your daddy?
He's gonna be 40.
40.
He's older than Daddy.
Is he 40?
Can you wish him a happy birthday?
No.
It's his birthday next
Can
week.
you sing him happy birthday?
No.
Okay.
Aww.
Linux will. Yeah.
It's not.
Alright, a minute. What's the last question?
And I'll sing him
Okay,
happy birthday.
you will? Go on then. Sing.
He's not. Please. He's not.
He
I
will.
see him.
He's not there,
He's
baby.
not
We're
there.
making a video.
Go sit
Ready?
down. Just sit with your brother.
Happy birthday.
To you.
Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ford. Happy birthday to you. Blow out the candles.
That's a lot of candles.
Mm-hmm.
Blow the candles.
Okay, do you want to say anything else to him before we say bye?
Why?
You want to say anything else?
Nope, that's just pretending. Is Ford going to come here?
He's gonna watch you in this camera.
Oh, but Mommy, is he going to come?
You gonna ask him?
No, is he going to come?
We'll ask him.
Is he going to come?
Not
No,
today.
Not today, baby, but we'll ask him. Say bye, Thor. Love you.
I want a friend to come over.
I know. All right, bye.
Bye, Thor.
Bye.
Say bye, Linux. Oh, okay.
Mom,
Don't say
I
bye.
want a